What is this? Is it Lucky Charm? No, it is a self-massage stick made from dried mulberry stick, the branch. Okay, so it's soft but still have firm. But when you do this using this kind of DIY self-massage stick, relax your pose, because we don't want to hit ourselves with muscles. We just simply relax pose and let the stick drop down on where you have muscles, tendons, where the meridians has to go through to unblock the energy blocks over there. Never use this stick to hit your head or the joint on elbows, on your knees, on your hands, on your feet. But under your feet, you can also use in this one. Inside of your hand, also you can use one. But outside, because you don't have a heavy cover to protect the bones, then you don't use it, okay? So with this stick, when you rise your elbows, you can go deeper. The place normally you have problem to do your self-massage. Now, what happens if you don't have this massage stick? In case you have pain, the shoulder is blocked, you feel tension on your shoulder, you can easily patting in the middle on your elbow. Okay? And again, relax your pose, just keep patting it. But when you do the massage, you also relax your shoulder from here. Allow the energy streamline go through much better. And also you don't feel pain. You just feel there's stimulations, and after you feel tingling. Okay, what happens if you have tennis elbow? Tennis elbow, you're patting outside of the elbow. Recently, I learned a new term, golf elbow. I said, golf elbow, where you have the problems? Under. So you're using this one, patting under from elbow to the inside from your upper arm. So remember, here is for your shoulder tension. Here is the tennis elbow. But when you do the tennis elbow, don't just only patting elbows, also patting up a little bit. And golf elbows is inside. Isn't that easy? Have fun.